on.
He doesn't know quite how to use the saw yet.
I guess you just have to make believe with the saw. With all the other tools, you can actually do something with.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Wow, can you get that back in?
Okay.
Maybe Grampy can put that in for you.
Can you put it back in for him, Grandpa, so we can pound it in?
He likes to pull that nail out, but he can't get it in.
Okay. There you go. There you go.
There.
Grandma.
Oh yeah, the screwdriver. There, that side. Good job.
Yeah, you remember that.
Good job.
I was gonna show it to him again. He remembered.
Don't think it works on that side, just the other side.
Do you think he's chilly in here with that fan going?
Yeah, we could probably turn the fan on.
Where's the off button?
Right on the top. I think you just push down.
Wow, good job, Lucas.
Down?